Hello, we're back in the kitchen for another science experiment. This time, we're talking about salinity and mixtures and solutions. And we're talking about adding salt to water. Originally, I did this experiment. I wanted to show you mixing the salt and everything, and it just didn't work out. I forgot to push record. So we used hot water, and we have 3 identical glasses with 3 identical amounts of water in it, and we mixed kosher salt, not identical. The blue glass has the most salt, half a cup. That's a lot of salt in that little tiny bit of water. The yellow glass has a 1/4 cup. That's also a lot of salt, but not as much. And the red glass has no salt at all. What was left to figure out was whether to pour the heavy water, the salt water, first or last. And of course, we're doing it from the bottom. I want you guys to think about why we're not pouring from the top. Why we're not pouring from the top. So first thing we're going to do is add the blue water on the left-hand side, the heavy water, the salt water. And we can do it fast in this first layer. On the right side, we're going to do the lightest water, which is the red. Now the middle layer, of course, is going to be the one with only a 1/4 cup of salt. So that's the same for both the yellow layer. It already seems obvious which one's working and which one's not, but you never stop and experiment halfway. Watch carefully as this last layer goes in this one. It's pretty obvious as to why it is failing. Can you see? What's happening in this glass? Remember, we didn't pour anything over. Now the experiment is almost complete. I can tell you that after all this was done, I measured 1/4 cup of the blue water, 1/4 cup of the yellow water, and 1/4 cup of the red water. The red water weighed 95, and I don't remember what unit of measurement that was. The yellow water weighed 106, and the blue water weighed 129.